Hi, hello, and howdy. I went shopping with my credit card. We were watching a channel Tennessee girl in Texas, and she was showing a mystery box from Profusion Cosmetics. We realized we've never tried that brand. So, Miss Princess Fatima got out her credit card, and here we are. Let's go. I got the $75 box, which means that each item has a value of about $5.35 when you divide it by the 14 items that we've received. And first up, we've got two highlighters here, and I'm trying to figure out if I can get this right side up or upside down. We shall see. These are what they look like. This one is called Aura. This one is called Mood. That is what they look like. We got two lip dazzlers, and according to the website, they sell for $5 each. So in the mystery box at $5.35 each, we're actually paying more for them. Yeah, wasn't too thrilled with that concept, but it is what it is. We're going to pass one of them along, and we're going to keep one to try. So the one we're going to pass along is this one. This is in the shade Divine. So we're going to share that one. And then the one that we're going to try is called Lovely. Oh, that is lovely. And one end is the lip gloss and one end is the lipstick. This is a hydrating glossy stain in Strawberry. Did I read that right? Yep, you read that right. Strawberry Glaze. Not what I would have thought for a strawberry color. In any case, lip stain and I don't seem to get along too well, so we're going to pass this one along so someone else can get to try it out. This is a juicy lip tint, and oh, I think I can see myself in the package. Oh my goodness, I think you can. If I can find a reflection, I will. Anyway, this is a juicy lip tint. Hey, you took it away so I couldn't look at myself. Well, we know we like to look at you, but come on, let's show some products. Okay. Can you believe her? She doesn't like it when I look at myself. What's not to like? Sassy Camel. Yep, that's me, Sassy Camel. Where was I? I don't know where I was. Profusion Juicy Lip Tint Citrus Coral. So this looks like it could be fun. I don't think it's going to be that orange a shade. We got a set of false eyelashes, and these seem to go on their website for $10 to $15, so good value to get them in the box. This one I might try. I'm not a big false eyelash person because I'm afraid I'm going to glue my eyes shut or get the glue in my eyes. This one apparently is magnetic. So the eyeliner that they have in here is magnetic. So I might give these a try. Oh, that could be very interesting. And these have the names Hyperspace, Futurist, Teleport, and Virtual. We also got some more false eyelashes in their collab that they did with Mean Girls. This one we are going to pass along. It does come with the glue. So I was pleased to see that it does come with glue. And there's 4 pairs in here, and they each have the name of one of the Mean Girl characters. So they've got Katie, Regina, Gretchen, and Karen. In the first half of the box, Anne's 2 favorites are a lip product and the magnetic eyelashes. Do you have these? Have you tried these? What did you see that you liked? Let me know. I'm nosy camel. I want to know all the details. And now, moving right along with this video. Much to our surprise, we wound up with duplicate palettes in this mystery box. And it wasn't supposed to be that way. So we got Meadow twice. I was able to contact customer service. They were very kind and allowed me to pick the other 10-pan palette that I wanted, rather than just sending me the one that was in everybody else's box. We thought that was very nice of them. Yes, heads up, that was a great customer service experience. So I got to do swatches a little later. That you do. We have Meadow, and not necessarily my favorite color story, yet the opportunity to get to try it, especially since we got two of them. We'll keep one and we'll pass the other one along. And then there was the one that we got to make a choice for the 10-pan palette. And our choice was Fuchsia. And somewhere floating around there is, or there will be, a short video on our shorts feed. I used this palette to make Anne's eye look today. So be sure to check that out. And I will do swatches in a little while. And when they made that little oopsie, they sent us some free items. So these look like highlighter powders. And we also got a waterproof shadow stick that we will probably pass along, and a brush. And the brush definitely looks good. It passes the bristle test. Nothing's flopping out or pulling out. And the weight on this one I find to be very nice. Evenly weighted, and enough weight that I don't feel like I'm playing with a toy. Speaking of brushes, this goes for about $11 on their website. This is the Blend and Stand. Yes, Blend and Stand. It's a plasticky faux leather with a cute little cactus as the zipper pull. And it's got, help me out here, Miss Fatima. It's got 3 brushes inside. It supposedly stands up. This one, I'm kind of waffling on what to do with it. I mean, I hate to pass up a brush. It looks like it's big enough you could get a lipstick or maybe another brush in there. I will say that, yes, the brushes do pass the bristle test. Nothing is flopping out. These feel awfully light, kind of like I'm playing with a child's toy. So I'm not one to usually pass up a brush, yet we got a nice one already. I might be passing this along. We got some beauty blenders in a case from their Feel the Beat collection. And I'm not opposed to getting a beauty blender. It reminds me to either wash mine or toss it and pick a clean one. This packaging that it's in has a nice rubbery feel to it with good ventilation holes, so it could be used for travel to help let the blenders dry. And help me out here, please. Let's get these 2 out of here. Thank you. You're welcome. We have a big poofy one. And then we have another one that I'm most interested in because it has a lot of flat sides to it. And they both have a decent squish, but this has a lot of flat sides to it. I find that's helpful in applying primer and foundation. So I'm excited to get to give these both of them actually, a try. And honestly, that little bag doesn't necessarily have to be for drying beauty sponges. I would say a coin purse. I don't know if anyone carries coins anymore. This could be something where I would toss in my driver's license, my credit card, and a few dollars and stick it in a small backpack or fanny pack and take it with me for running errands or a day at the park or a day at the beach or wherever. And this thing that's flopping around down there, it has a zipper pull. If I can get it in the camera lens, there we go. It has a zipper pull of I almost called it a pine tree. That's not a pine tree. No, that's not. That's a palm tree. There's a difference between pine trees and palm trees. You know the difference, right? Yeah, I know. We got 2 mascaras. Pink and blue. Now that's something different. Normally you get black. This is pink and blue, and their shades are, this one is Trance, and then the blue one is called Days. I'm definitely excited to give these a try. Yes, that looks like fun. Yes, it does. This is where the biggest value came in on the box. These are about $15 each. So we got them for $5 and change. This palette is called Main Stage, and that is what she looks like. Oh, that is a pretty one. Now, one thing, we decided that I'm not going to swatch everything. We're going to set a couple aside and have another swatch party at a later date. Yeah, we didn't want this video to be 3 hours long, in as much as I would love to swatch everything. I'm excited for this palette. This looks like a fun one. This palette is called Desert Sage. And I just love the way that they did the design with the shadows on the inside. It gives the vibe of a rose with lots of petals. Definitely neat and unique, and this will also be set aside for our swatch party. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, now's the time to do it. Swatch party will show up later on, but we will do it because I love swatching. What did you like from this half the box? I would say my favorites are the shadow palettes as well as the pink and the blue mascara. How about you? Have you tried any of these? You want to go out and try them now? Let me know, let me know. And now, I need a brush, please. I want to do some swatches. Then let's get you a brush. Here we go with some swatches. Nice job in the swatching department, Miss Fatima the Camel. Thank you. I like swatches and shopping. So a real quick recap on the nitty-gritty, because that's what she likes to do. We paid $75 for this. Apparently the value is over $100. I kind of question that a little bit, but I'm not that familiar with this brand, so, you know, some things I think we made good profit on with the Desert Sage and the Main Stage palette, because those are $15 each. So we got them for $5 and change. The 10-pan palettes, those are $5.50 each. So not much of a price difference there. The lashes are about $15 each. The Lip Dazzler is only $5, so is it the greatest return for your investment? Financially, no, it's not. However, I'm still agreeing with the concept that I've seen this on another channel and realized that we hadn't had the opportunity to try any of their products before. So this was a good opportunity to get something new that we don't have and give it a try and see what we think. Exactly. So thank you for watching today. Keep your eyes on our shorts feed. We put up a lot of our first impressions of products out there. And like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. You know the routine. We want to grow the channel. It needs a little nudge in the growth department. Yes, it does. We do hope to see you soon in another video or in another short on our shorts feed. Check it out. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.